Yo, first order of the day is a black rock coffee. This one is $12, going 6.5 miles.
First one. Second one. And the third.
Thank you.
Yes, have a great day.
You too. 3 bags, huh? That's a little excessive, don't you think? Next order up is a Starbucks. This one is $7, going 4.5 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next up is a Subway. This one is $8, going 5 miles. Thank you. Next up is going to be on Earn by Time now. Current rate is $18 an hour. There's peak pay on for a little bit. And we've got a stacked McDonald's. I believe it said it was going 6.5 miles total. Well, good thing that there's peak pay on right now, because I know at least one of these orders, the second drop off, is going to be a no tip. Total for that stack was $10, and got this right away. This is a Taco Bell going 4 miles.
Hi, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
I just have a DoorDash pickup for Lucas.
What can I get for you?
I have a DoorDash for Lucas.
Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. No tip on that. Very nice. Total for that one was $5 and change. Next up, got a stack going to 2 different people. Oh, it's 2 different restaurants as well. We've got IHOP and McDonald's going about 7 miles. Thank you. I remember this place. Yeah, the GPS for some reason takes me on the other side of the fence, or I don't know what you would call this, the barrier. Hello. I needed a PIN number from you. Okay, there you are. Oh, thank you. Have a good day. Well, now my feet are soaked and freezing for walking through that grass patch twice, but got a cash tip. I'll take it. Total for that stack was $13. Not bad. Oh, plus the $5 cash tip, $18. Ooh, what is this? Kitchen Table Cafe, $10, going 2.5 miles. I will take that. Probably not going to be ready, but still sounds like a good order to me. Thank you. Have a good one. Only a few minute wait. Not terrible. That was a good order. Didn't take very long at all. And got this next one right away. Probably not as good, but it's something. This is Nectar Juice Bar, $8, going 5 miles. Thank you. Next order up is a Jack in the Box going 4 miles.
Thank you.
Total for that order was $11. What? I mean, it kind of did take a long time at the restaurant, but the tip was nice as well. What is this? Lowe's Bros Taco Shop going 7 miles. Thank you. Total for that one was $9 and change. And what is this? Nectar juice bar going 6 miles.
There you are.
Thank you.
Thanks. Have a good one.
You too. Total for that order was $10. Oh, I just realized that one Black Rock coffee, I think it was the first order of the day. Yeah, that order ended up being $20. Huge tip on that one. Thank you, thank you. Next up, got a Starbucks. This one is $7 and change, going about 4 miles.
Yeah, I got that right here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Says no knocking, please. I mentioned that because I just now remembered someone earlier said to ring their doorbell. I couldn't tell you who it was, but I just now remembered that. And I totally forgot to do it. Whoops. Alright, I'm pretty hungry, so let's call it here and go home. Current time is 9:26. Current total, or I guess just total, is 124. Pretty good, pretty good. Anyways, I'm going to leave the apps on just in case I get an order on the way home because I'm pretty far away. So if I don't get any more orders, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.